Excuse me, ma'am. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No, no, not at all.
May I sit here?
Yes, yes, please sit. You seem a bit distant, lost in thought. Are you alright? Tell me, what happened? Who are you?
Who am I? I am the respected son, the indulgent father, the devoted husband too.
Yes, but those are mere titles. Beneath them all, who are you?
Me? I am responsibilities. I'm duties. Call me obligation. Call me commitment. I'm a silent pillar holding up the weight of 1,000 expectations. Lady, I'm everything for everyone else.
And when you strip away the roles, what remains? I don't get it.
Well, to understand this, let me take you to the very beginning of my story.
Oh, my adorable bundle of joy. My son, you will be my caregiver in my old age. You will look after me. You will be my support, my strength. Oh, my beloved son.
Son, you are my pride, my joy, my strength. You will carry forward my legacy. And of course, you will be my pension plan.
Aren't we blessed? We have a son to look after us in our old age.
Yes, he will be there for us always and in all the ways. I will make sure that he gets the best education at Viraj International School. And then he will become a doctor just like me, my father, his father. He will be the sixth generation doctor in our family.
Doctor? What do you mean? He will be an engineer, just like my father, his father, his father, and 7 generations of engineers in my family.
Certainly not. He will be a top-notch doctor.
No, a top-rated engineer.
No, doctor.
Engineer.
Doctor.
Engineer.
Expectations
Expectations
from the moment of birth.
till the last dying breath.
Expectations,
Expectations, expectations.
only expectations.
Isn't it?
Daddy, daddy, I have a new doll, I have a new doll.
Who on earth gave you this doll? What are you doing?
Daddy, I am making a ponytail. My doll looks so cute.
You are a boy, and boys play real games with guns and cars. Useless boy. Why is behaving like a girl?
Mummy, see daddy. Hit me, slap me. It's paining. Stop crying like a girl. You are a boy. For heaven's sake, stop howling. Crying like that. Huh? Remember, boys have to be strong. Come with me.
Expectations?
Expectations.
Why stereotype the children?
Can't boys play with dolls?
Are boys not supposed to cry?
Can't boys display their emotions and sentiments?
Expectations, expectations, expectations. Oh, these cliches and stereotypes are not acceptable.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने ये मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
son.
See this, Dad? I won the dance competition. I'm the dance champ.
Proud of you, my son. I am happy. I am glad that you are pursuing your hobbies.
Hobbies? This is my passion. Dance is my life. I want to be a dancer. What? Yes, Dad. I've made up my mind. I've decided my career also. I want to be a choreographer.
What utter nonsense! Have you lost it? You are only allowed to be an engineer or doctor. Forget about dancing.
Expectations.
Expectations.
A son can't choose his own career.
Can't boys pursue their passion as a career? Is there no freedom of choice? Expectations, expectations, expectations.
क्षण से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना है तो ये क्यों होता है, जब ये दिल रोता है, रोए सिसक सिसक के हवाएं, जग सुना लागे, क्षण से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे रे।
Expectations, expectations. Always fulfilling these expectations. What a pity.
And many years passed by. The young lad is now a middle-aged gentleman with his family.
Finally, a break at last. Well, this money's for myself. I will go on trip with my childhood buddies. Something I've waited for my whole life. I'll also buy a guitar to bring music back into my life. This is what I want, to live truly again.
Dad, I need 10,000 rupees for my birthday party.
What? 10,000 rupees?
All my friends are having grand celebrations. They will mock me for being poor or stingy.
That's too much. 10,000? Son, is that really 10,000 you're asking for?
Dad, after all, it's your honor. Please, I won't go overboard. Not even a DJ dance party. Please, Dad, please.
No, I will not give you 10,000 rupees.
How stingy is my father? Everybody's parents give them money.
Dad, I won the new iPhone 16. Everyone in school has one, so I must as well.
An iPhone? An iPhone? Seriously?
Yes, an iPhone. And mind you, it has to be iPhone 16 Pro Max. I want to be one up everyone. My friends will be so jealous.
Well, didn't they launch the iPhone 15 recently? And now they have iPhone 16? Wait, they might just launch iPhone 17 by tomorrow morning. Then what will happen, my child?
You're so difficult, Dad. You never understand.
Beta, look at these old glasses. They don't look nice at all. The lens is also scratched.
Yeah, I think these glasses are fine.
No. You know, my morning walk friends, they wear monochromatic glasses with crystal layer. Beta, please buy me those.
I thought spectacles are meant for seeing, not to be seen.
You don't understand, son.
Son.
Daddy, do you need anything as well?
Yes, my dear son. You please change this old stick. It is so old-fashioned and unattractive. Market is full of fancy ones. Please get me one.
Let me see. Dad, please give me some time.
Good news, my dear hubby. You know, my kid sister is getting married.
Wow, congratulations.
Oh God, I'm so happy. So many things to do. Beauty parlor appointment, shopping and joining gym. After all, I must lose some weight to look flawless. By the way, my dear, I hope you will give me a large shopping allowance.
Well, how large?
One designer lehenga for Sangeet and 3 new saris.
3 new saris?
Okay, fine, 2 new saris. And yes, how can I forget about jewelry? See, I'm telling you, I will not repeat jewelry given by my parents. What will people say? Jewelry given by my parents, and that too I'm repeating it at my own sister's wedding. No. I must get a diamond necklace.
A diamond necklace?
It's matter of your prestige, your honor, your status.
But where is the money, dear?
Okay, fine. At least a decent gold set, but not less than that.
But listen to me.
I have so many things to do. Let me make a list.
Well, you can see what a demanding wife I have.
Expectations.
Expectations.
The man works all day long, day and night, every season of the year. And yet,
A man cannot fulfill his simple desires. Can't he spend his own hard-earned money?
expectations, expectations, expectations.
I feel I'm an utter failure. No one thinks about me. Everyone has their own demands and expectations. I'm fed up. It's time to give up. This is the end.
जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं चाहे तुझको रब बुला ले हम न रब से डरने वाले राहों में डट के खड़े हैं हम यारों से नजरें चुरा ले चाहे जितना दम लगा ले जाने ना तुझको ऐसे देंगे हम जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं
How can you even think about this? You are the core of my existence. Without you, I would be lost. You are the air I breathe. My purpose of life. My everything.
My son, how could you think that you are a failure? My son, you are the reason why we exist. Child, our hearts beat for you. My son, our days begin and end with you, child. You are our hope, our happiness, our aspirations. You are the very reason that we exist, my child.
Papa, you are my idol, my hero, the ones whose footsteps I follow. Your wisdom is my guide. Your strength is my inspiration. Without you, I have no direction.
Son, you are my pride, my joy, my strength, and my legacy. You are the foundation of our family.
Father, you are my guiding star, the example I cherish. You are the one who teaches me courage, whose love shapes me. You are my everything. You are my hero, Dad.
I never thought like this before. I am the reason that this family moves. I am the strength that holds it together. Without me, nothing would make sense. My family, I'm here for all of you.
And we are here for you. My child, I don't need any new fancy glasses. I can see the world through your eyes, my child.
Son, I do not need any new stick at all. You are my support. You are my strength, son.
I don't need any diamonds or new sets. What we have is more than enough. After all, you are the jewel of my crown.
Papa, the real celebrations are with family, not with the outsiders. I've understood. that there is no need to show off.
I've realized that an iPhone is not relevant. It is the people who matter. So let's take a selfie.
My family.
Family bonds
Are forever.
and family bonds.
Are eternal.
Thank you.